Let's use an example to understand the put option. Let's assume we have two parties A and B, where party A purchased a put from party B, which is the right to sell a stock to party B for a specific price at this point at $100 on a specific date. To purchase this option, A paid B $5, which is the option premium. Since A purchased the right to sell the stock, this is known as a put option. And since the option can be exercised only on a specific date, it is known as a European option. These are the different features of a put option. Now let us see when the option can be exercised and when it is in the money. Let's assume that on the specified date or on the exercise date, the option is trading at $110. Will A go ahead and exercise the option? Most likely not. He will allow the option to lapse for good reason. Instead of selling the stock to B for $100, A can go ahead and sell the stock in the market for $110. So if the stock is selling or trading at $110 on the specified date, A will have a loss of $5, which is the premium he paid to purchase the option. Let's assume, on the other hand, that on the specified exercise date, the option is trading at $90. Will A go ahead and exercise the option? Yes. The option at this point is in the money. A can purchase the stock in the market for $90 and then can sell it to B for $100. So the net profit A makes is $5, taking into account the $5 he also paid as premium. So at $90, the put is in the money. So put options are usually taken into account when we expect a fall in the price of the share. Let's understand this more with the help of a graph. If I plot the asset price or price of the stock on the x-axis and the net profit on the y-axis, I have x, which is the exercise price, which is $100. I'm also going to take into account the premium, which is the $5 which has been paid, which for a put option we will denote by beta. So here we will look at it from the point of view of the buyer of the put as well as the seller of the put. So party A is the buyer of the put option. So he has paid $5, while the seller of the put option, or party B, has received $5. So when the stock price is $95, party A, who purchases the put, breaks even. Before a stock price of 95 or a lower stock price, party A continues to make a profit. Beyond $95 or beyond $100, A chooses not to exercise the option. Therefore, let the option lapse, giving A loss of $5, which is the premium paid. So if there is a fall in price of the share, the buyer of the put option makes a huge profit. On the other hand, If we look at it from the seller's perspective, at 95, will be broken even again. And after 100, the seller has made a profit of $5 because the buyer chooses not to exercise the option and therefore loses the $5. On the other hand, a fall in the price of the share gives a huge loss for the seller of the option because the seller is forced to buy the stock for $100. So the red line shows the profit or the profit line from buying the option, while the yellow line shows the profit line from selling or writing the put option. If you want to look at an equation to find out the value of the put can then be denoted by maximum of x minus s, or 0, where x is the exercise price